Hi guys, today we are learning how to make your Facebook account as private as possible. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to make private. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and open How People Can Find and Contact You. Set who can send you friend requests to friends of friends. Then change options like who can look you up using your phone number or email address to no one or the most private option available. Set any other options to only me, no one, or the most restrictive setting whenever possible. Go back and tap Profile and tag in. Set who can post on your profile to only me or friends, and review the remaining settings. Change them to the most private option available. Go back once again and tap Profile Locking. Finally, tap Lock Your Profile to enable Facebook's Profile Lock feature. This limits what people who aren't your friends can see on your profile. And that's how you can make your Facebook account as private as possible. Keep in mind that Facebook doesn't have a single option to make your entire account completely private. But by enabling the most restrictive privacy settings and locking your profile, you can significantly improve your privacy. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.